Here's something that should get you guys talking. Progressive. They are the behemoth in the marketplace right now, but they have finished rolling out their new pricing platform across the US. So here's some tips and tricks to know. One, as your renewals roll onto the new platform, know that if you add a driver, it will no longer automatically change your price. They have changed it to where now it is running the MVRs in the background, but it is not changing your price unless it materially changes your rate more than 20%. It can be deceptive. You can add one driver and it did not change your price at all, but then you go to add the next driver and it makes your rate jump. You need to know what's on their MVRs, run them ahead of time so that you can stay on top of that and be aware of surprises and changes. Another thing, as you are adding and making frequent changes, especially if you are within the first year or two, their system has an algorithm checking for lots of changes, frequency of changes, and will start escalating your pricing. So really know your plan and direction for what you want to do, and don't make lots of changes of see about this or what if I do that. You really need to think out the plan and plan it out and not take somebody on, add them off. The other thing to notate, if you are renting trucks in this environment, that is common that you've got to rent a truck because repairs are taking so long. When you call Progressive, make sure that you identify the VIN number that it is a temporary substitute for so that it is notated in the file and not endorsed onto the policy, but so that they also know what VIN number you're renting in case it's inspected. If it's inspected, they will see that it is a temporary substitute for one of your trucks and will understand what's going on and not suspect that you have undisclosed vehicles.